Goes after the first pitch and blasts this one deep to left center. Wiley looking up, and he'll have no play. Lands on top of the batting cages. It's Narciso Crook. 1 and 2 out. Goes after the first pitch, and he's going to jump this one down into center field. He's going to bring home 2 runs, and this game is immediately tied 2-2. No relation to Ellie De La Cruz, although he just hit that one like Ellie De La Cruz. That ball is blasted way out of here. 3-run jack from Carlos De La Cruz. Ground ball down the third base line. Stays fair. Sandoval gets that one right in the corner. Takes the round of second. It's an RBI double for Sandoval. Levine the lefty, though, so that one just got away. Chandler Siegel blasts this one deep left center, and it's out of here. Into the Gastonia night. Bye-bye baseball. Chandler Siegel for the second night in a row hits a long ball for the Ghost Peppers. 1-1 Reinheimer. Fastball, ground ball, off the diving glove of Pino. Recovered by Rijo, but no play. A run comes in. 1-0 to Prado. Ground ball up the middle, gonna be a tough play for Rijo. It's into center for a base hit. Reinheimer's easily gonna score. Anthony Prado comes through with a 2-run knock. This ball is ripped to right. That's gonna get past Chris Proctor into the gap all the way to the wall. Moore easily scores. Randolph into second with the RBI double. Chandler Siegel on the first pitch. Deep left center. Bye-bye baseball. Ghost Peppers retake the lead. Siegel with his second jack of the night. 1-0. This one kicks away from Nunez. Chris Proctor is going to come in and score. 3-0. Downstairs, ball 4. Justin Wiley on 4 pitches brings home a run with a walk. Blake Brown, the 0-2. Got him swinging. 13 wins in a row for the Ghost Peppers. They tie the franchise record set back in 2022.